Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Kadukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Ka Sarkar Jilla ka balapun krek syait-syait ban yok pen sedang no ya ka jingshna ya ka surok ka bapunya so nado kanong ba Shillong ter shado ka snong tamabil ka badon hadauki. Ya mentala dep ban siu hado san po persen ka bailut ksan sya ki try kendo bakani ka surok kan ya lingba. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai Kubor usembut menteri rang ba jong ka Sarkar Jilla uba preston tensong uba paidru ya ka tenat PWD. Uli yatho bah ka arpo artrik urempang arzar arpowai ka Sarkar kala syong ya ka jingelang jong ka high level committee ban yetheria tai halor ka jingpentelun ya ki kam na ka benta ban shnano ya ka ni ka surok ban sa shimti de ka National Highways and Infrastructures Development Corporation Limited.
Along with the additional chief secretary, and then the officials from Nahai, and then the officials of the BRO, along with our PWD officials. Meeting is being held right now, so let us see what is the outcome of the meeting. But the work is on, the progress is satisfied. So I'm sure maybe by the end of this month we'll be able to operate that Belly Bridge, which is under construction. See, right now the process of releasing the compensation is still on. It's more or less, I think we have completed not less than 52-53% of the compensation released to the concerned landowner. So now the process is still on. The Deputy Commissioner both from Khasi and from West Gentiles, they are on the job. And then those portions wherever the payment is made, say the DC now, they are in the process of handing over the land to NHITCL.